In this episode, travel hacks. Ever felt your arm die while trying to hold your phone up just so that you can watch a movie? Well, gone are those days because all you need is just one baseball cap and 2 paper clips. So, clip it onto the baseball cap, cap it over your knee, and balance your phone on it. That's all! Enjoy your show in peace. If you're traveling to cold countries, you'll find that your phone battery dies extra fast. So all you need to do is very simple. Take out your phone, go to your battery settings, and dim your phone lah. So simple! Oi, not done yet. On the light. And also switch your phone to airplane mode when you're not using it to conserve battery. Simple. Traveling on a budget but still want simple food to taste good? Then maximize your resources lah. See? Aluminium foil, some sandwiches, fold it up, and then iron. And there you have it, a piping hot sandwich ready to be eaten. One cool trick when visiting a country which dominant language you don't understand is the Google Translate app. All you need to do is go in, tap on the camera function and hover over whatever you don't understand. Then all you have to do right now is to tap and highlight the area in which you want the app to recognize, and voila! That's it. Everything you need translated into English so that you understand perfectly. All the best with that travel! Prefer to have your things organized in a very neat manner? I can help you solve that OCD. All you need are 2 wooden pegs, glue them opposite each other, then clip one end of the earpiece to one side and start coiling. And then clip the earpiece to the other side and there you have it. OCD solved. We've come to the end of our travel hacks video. If you like what you see, remember to like and subscribe and tell us in the comments below what you'd like to see more of. Till then, I'm Timo. Thanks for watching. Are we done yet?